Hello everyone and welcome back to my final daily report market video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday 26th of July. Looking at gold, which had a bit of volatility surrounding that ECB meeting yesterday, but essentially the little mini range that it's been in of the past few days is still holding. It had an attempt to break out to the upside that failed, and then an attempt to break to the downside, which failed, and subsequently the market is back inside this range. You can sort of squeeze it out, I suppose, a little bit further to, it was 114 to 120, 1414 to 1429. It is now sort of 1411 up to 1433 area. But essentially we're still range bound. You can see that through the hourly chart indicators, which continue to oscillate between 30 and 70 on the RSI, MACD lines oscillating around neutral, and stochastics as well showing little real decisive direction. Until you see a decisive break lower below 1400, I'm not really saying that anything bearish is going on in this chart. I think at the moment it's just holding a neutral configuration of the near-term basis, which has ultimately just broken that uptrend, but that uptrend break doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be correcting lower. If it does drift lower, as I said, 1400, which has been a pivot line in the past month or so, and key reaction low throughout a period through that time, I think that remains the key level of support to watch as the first real basis of support within that uptrend channel. Uptrend. But what you do have at the moment is just this minor drift on the momentum indicators. Only slight. You've still got the RSI, which is above 50, so you're still not turning negative in any real way. MACD lines are drifting off, and stochastics also, but nothing is really overly negative about the momentum. It's just effectively still unwinding some of the overbought momentum we'd seen previously, and just suggesting that this is still on a medium-term basis, and what the market is doing is unwinding to renew upside potential. That would change on a breach of 1400 and certainly go bearish, I think, on a medium-term basis back under 1381. But for now, we're still holding the positive configuration. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our videos and go to our website where you can sign up to our trading webinars, and I will speak to you next week.